Hi, my name is Anna and I'm from Russia and I have a question for you. So have you ever been in Russia and have you ever traveled by Russian train? No? So but maybe you want to come there and you're interested how Russian trains look like. So today I'm gonna show you a Russian train. So we will go from my hometown to St. Petersburg and you can see my trip and also I met here a guy, he's from England and I asked his feelings about traveling by Russian train. So if you're interested, let's go. So and actually this is the cheapest wagon and this is the cheapest way to travel in Russia. So it looks like this. This is something like beds. You can lie here and also here. So 4 people can be accommodated here. Each has a mattress, blanket and bedding. Glasses are also given out there, so you can fill it with hot water that's free for each passenger, and after that you can make a tea. Another type of wagon which you can meet in Russia is coupe. That's more expensive and the ticket will cost about 4,455 rubles. By the way, this is the bed too, like this one. So, but you need to do something with this system and it will turn on the bed. But I don't know how to do it. No, I know! It works this. Yeah. And you can just like have a rest here. Okay. And also you have this shelf. You can put something here, like your hat maybe. Who knows? Russian train, and you know, there is the special smell of the Russian train. I don't know how to explain it, but when you come here you feel it and you feel like, I don't know, you feel it smells like a Russian train. I don't know how to explain it. Maybe it smells like a metro. Or different types of wagon are pretty expensive, so this is the cheapest variant, as I have already mentioned. So but you will travel like in a big community with different people, like you're a big family. Actually, I really love to go somewhere by Russian trains because that's so cozy for me. Now I'm going to show you toilets. So this is for both, for men and for women. So and here we are. Looks like the toilet in the airplane, I think, so smell isn't so good, like I don't like it. Not very good smell. We have to do this way. Let's see. That's better. By the way, this is how it looks like when it's full of people.
So, hey, I'm Archie. This is my first time on a sleeper train in Russia, and I'm actually really enjoying it. People are much more social, like people really want to talk here. I've met you. People are really friendly. It has been quite an interesting experience. It's quite loud, and also my friend who I was meant to meet up didn't get onto the train, but it
Okay, thanks.
it feels like I got to meet like really authentic Russian people, not just kind of the rude Moscow people. Yeah, I've actually really enjoyed it. It is quite stuffy. It's very stuffy here, but yeah, I've actually really enjoyed it. Do you want to say anything else?
Yeah, what about the plane? Like real life here? Okay.
Real life in Russia, like
what do you think about the train? What do you think about Russian train?
It's actually really clean. It's really clean. In Britain, trains are quite dirty, and like people don't kind of remove their shoes and stuff like that. Yeah, they're dirty. And also with the Pravenitsa, you don't really get that in Britain. So there's kind of someone to look after you, tell you what's happening, check your ticket and everything. but yeah, it is very interesting. And it does feel much more authentic. Like if I was in
What?
if I was in Coupé, I feel like I wouldn't get this kind of same experience because a lot of foreign tourists go in Coupé. I believe, while Russians go Platskart.
Platskart is only for brave people.
I hope that you like this video, so if it is, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also I'll be so happy if you recommend my videos to your friends who may be interested in Russian culture, in life in Russia and so on. Actually, I have an Instagram, there you can find my beautiful photos. I hope that they are beautiful actually, so I hope. And so see you next time, goodbye!